As a marketing function, we work within a framework we've started calling 3D plus C. The first D is depth, and this really looks at truly understanding the numbers, the processes, the business drivers that make this business run. We refer to this part as the head. The second one is daring. We are bold and authentic in our communication. We challenge conventions and take calculated risks to drive results. This is really where the heart is. Our third one, and critically important, is pretty simple. It's discipline. Promises made are promises kept. Making it the hands. This is the work that we really need to do. The C stands for collaboration and looks at how we take what is needed in terms of the head, the heart, the hands, and apply ourselves when working and learning from operations, finance, supply chain, and sales in order to deliver the results and the overall business objectives. For instance, if we are facing a challenge with material availability, we know that ultimately at Super Roof we won't be able to run campaigns. This impacts the results and the deliverables. So working together across multiple cross-functional teams, we start looking at what needs to be true in order for us to run a successful campaign that has the material that we need and we require. We're currently seeing a number of consumer trends in the market, and our aim is to ensure that what we are doing takes these into consideration. Let's look at 3 specific ones. The first one, sustainability and green building practices. This has really become more and more important. We've done 2 things with this. We've executed CPDs that focused on sustainable design and production processing that takes the life cycle assessment framework, which looks at the overall energy requirements of the production system and introduction of more green processes in order to reduce greenhouse gases and the positive impact on our planet, specifically when it comes to Safal steel and what we do. We're also equally excited about communicating one of our latest project showcases, which will be our first net zero project. Net zero project is basically a building that is highly energy efficient, building that produces as much energy as it consumes. This results in a net zero carbon footprint. The project to look out for is the Lapalala Wilderness School in Limpopo province. Second biggest trend, affordability and value for money. This becomes more and more important, especially in these challenging economic times, irrespective of whether the customer is sitting at the bottom or the top end of the spectrum. We have 2 new exciting products on the horizon. The first one being our Optima Eco. This is a single coat paint system that has been specifically introduced to serve our export markets. The second one will be an alternative paint system for high corrosive applications in the market, making it more affordable option than your standard PVDF high corrosion paint systems. The last one, but definitely not the least, is the importance of authentic relationship building. Our focus really remains on building strong relationships with our customers as well as our influencers, because ultimately we know that word of mouth is one of the most powerful forms of marketing because of the trust factor it comes with.